Are you struggling to choose between a warehouse management system and an enterprise resource planning system for your business? Today, we're breaking down the key differences to help you make the best decision for your operations. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more insights into optimizing warehouse management. Why proper inventory management matters. Effective inventory management is essential for fulfilling customer orders accurately and on time, which ultimately strengthens customer relationships and boosts profitability. Understanding warehouse management systems. A WMS is specifically designed to improve warehouse efficiency with features like real-time inventory control, gain visibility and accuracy to fulfill orders faster. Directed put away, optimize storage with item-specific placement. Enhance productivity, streamline picking, packing, and shipping with efficient workflows. What makes an ERP system different? An ERP is a broader system for company-wide integration. ERPs connect departments like accounting, HR, plus inventory, offering organization-wide insights. They can reduce redundancies and improve productivity with automated data flow. Choosing between warehouse management and enterprise resource planning systems depends on your business needs. Specialized versus a broad approach. A WMS is tailored for complex warehouse management, while an ERP integrates multiple business areas. Standalone versus all-in-one. A WMS delivers advanced warehouse functionality, while an ERP is a broad solution covering all departments. Important questions to consider. What are your long-term goals? For in-depth warehouse management, go with a WMS. For broad integration, an ERP may be a better fit. Are there gaps in functionality? Warehouse management system software can integrate with an ERP for a complete solution. What ROI are you expecting? Balance implementation costs with potential returns. Sometimes the less expensive option won't deliver the best results. At Cadre Technologies, we provide cloud-based warehouse management software and supply chain visibility solutions for distribution, manufacturing, and logistics businesses. Ready to make an informed choice? Visit cadretech.com to learn more. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights into warehouse management.